All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the prototype section of Adobe XD. So let's go to we're in the home page here. So I'm going to click on the Web 1920 by 1080 and let's go to prototype. So let's create multiple artboards. So if I hit Control N, that should make another board. Okay, and then let's prototype this. Got it. Okay, so there we go. I'm getting the hang of it now. All right, let me hit OK, and then I'll go to prototype. So what they want is you got to create content here in order to bring it over there. So what I'm going to do just real quick is I'll make like a little navigation. And I'm going to click on fill. And we're going to make this black. Why not? Okay, and then I'm going to copy that. Bring it over here. So you just hold Alt, click and drag, and then bring it over to the other ones. And then let's go to prototype. And then you can see that I can connect these together. So this is the home page. Okay. This would be page 2, page 3, and page 4. And we can connect all these together. Okay. And then if I had another page over here, then I could add it to that. So that's really the prototype section, but the idea is you do the design first and then you prototype everything and build it out and put it together, you know. So if this was a website we were building, let's say it was a 4-page website, this is our home page right here. Okay, this is the news page, the about page, and the contact page for this example. And if that was the case, then you would just link them together that way, and you can also do it like this, since these are interactive. We can do that as well. Okay, so that's really the prototype. Now they give you a couple things here. You can do a transition, destination, dissolve. You can add in easing and outing, easing, so you can ease in, ease out. So let's preview this real quick. Okay, so you can see the preview here. You can record your prototype using the Windows game recording tool. So they'll let you record it as well. And I believe, yep, you can. Okay. Let me close that for a second. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color of this just so you can see the transition. So let me do red, black, then we'll do just like a blue. Just grab any kind of blue and then green. That way you can differentiate the different navigation colors. So if I open this up, double click on it. Wow, okay, just leave it like that. If you hit the right arrow, what it's going to do is it's going to transition to the next page. Okay, and then I'll transition again and again. And so the idea behind this is if you wanted to present this to somebody, your boss or a client, then you can hit the play button and then you can do a demonstration of the prototype. So you'd be able to see what it's going to look like on each page. And the purpose of this is, let's say that On the home page, you have 5 links, right? Or 3 links. So you would link to each page. So this would be the home page, the news page, the about page, the contact page. So this would link to all 3 other pages. Okay? So that's the cool thing about the prototype section, is that you can do kind of cool things. You can transition, auto-animate, overlay, speech playback, previous artboard, and trigger, so you can drag keys in gamepad or voice. That's the trigger. With the animation, we can slide left, slide right, slide up, slide down, push left, push right, push up, push down. Okay, so they give you a lot of different options to make it interactive and, you know, increase the look and feel of the presentation. So that is the prototype section. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.